Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy KNC. This is really easy and fast and simple and secure way to buy KNC. So to buy KNC we are going to use Bitrue. Bitrue is a crypto exchange. I like Bitrue because they are so simple to use, easy for beginners, low fees. And they also have these cool, rewarded tasks that you can do daily. You will get free XRP, cryptocurrencies. Really nice. But anyway, you first have to buy either XRP or Ethereum and then trade XRP or Ethereum to KNC. Now it's really easy to buy XRP or Ethereum on Bitrue. You just go home, then just click credit card. Here you can change the currency that you want to pay in. So for example, I'm going to go with USD. Then below you can click the BTC icon and select XRP or Ethereum. I'm going to buy XRP. So you can see that it takes about 10 to 30 minutes for your XRP to reach your wallet, and there are some fees, but they are low. Then all you have to really do now is just go below and click buy XRP. After the order goes through, after 10 minutes you can go back to assets and boom, the XRP that you just bought comes here. Now to trade that XRP into KNC, all you have to do is go to market, then type KNC, then go KNC/XRP, so pairing, then click buy. Here you can trade all of the XRP that you just bought into KNC. If you slide this button here, you can change from 25 to 50 to 75 to 100. This means that if you want to sell 25% of your XRP stack that you just bought and trade it to KNC, you can do it here. But if you want to, for example, buy KNC with all of the XRP you just bought, then go just to 100, and after that click buy KNC. Now it will execute your buying order, so you will be selling XRP for KNC. After a few seconds you can go back to assets and boom, you have KNC in your assets now. I highly recommend you to also get an offline wallet, because they are so secure and they are easy to use and they don't cost a lot. If you still don't own an offline wallet, go to the link in the description if you want to support my channel. So go there and click Ledger wallet, and if you are not already on Bitrue, click the link in description that says Bitrue. Yeah, but thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this video helpful, and see you in the next video.